Friday, 2nd of May. Here we are with the Beryl green T16. Started the prep under the engine bay. We've now stripped all underneath, so everything is gone. This is all the engine bits waiting to go back on the engine. When we would get that back, these are all the cleaning and fettling and painting before fitting to the engine. And outside, in the back of my SAAB, we have all the stuff waiting to go to be blasted and powder coated from the underneath. They'll go off next week and should get them back in a couple of weeks' time, hopefully, and when we'll start fitting them. Okay, thank you.